This is the Pure Mayo Methylcobalamin Ear Health Alpha Lipoic Acid 60 capsules. And it's hard to read here, this white on red, but 1 capsule per serving, 60 capsules. So there's a 3-month supply here. It has a little bit of fiber, not actually no fiber basically, but it does have thiamine, riboflavin, B6, folic acid, 600 milligrams, vitamin B12, 5,000 milligrams, choline bitartrate, 243 milligrams. Let's see, alpha lipoic acid, 100 milligrams, boswellia extract, 20 milligrams. Made in Germany. Interesting, made in Germany. But basically, this is B12, B1, B2, B6, and folic acid, along with boswellia and choline. Let's give it a look here. Okay, standard capsule. Standard capsule. With basically no smell, close to almost no smell at all. So, if you need that, supposedly for your ear health, check it out.